Okay, let me show you how we can find current winning products on TikTok in under 5 minutes. Now, if you're yet to enter the dropshipping world, then you need to know that TikTok is a network that's currently very popular in e-commerce and should be something you're monitoring regularly. And it's definitely important to include TikTok ads in your paid ad strategy. Alright, let's take a look at the filtering systems you can choose from. We have the different date filters, allowing you to filter via first seen, which is when Minea first saw the ad go live. This will allow you to know exactly when the product was picked up by Minea. Last seen date, on the other hand, will give you an idea of when the ad was last seen active. Here, you'll be able to know if the ad is still running or whether it's stopped. And with this information, you'll get an idea of how long the product ad was being pushed for. The seen date corresponds to each time Minea has seen the ad on the networks. After which, you can also filter the audience demographic, such as country, language, and a bunch of other engagement metrics related to the ads you'll be shown, such as likes, plays, downloads, and more. Now, let's go straight to the heart of the matter and search for the products currently in the Minea database. Of course, we want to find ones with the most potential, so here's a searching method which you can use yourself to find the best trending products you can launch on TikTok right now. The first filter we can use is the creation date filter, which will allow us to view exactly when the advertiser launched his ad on the network. Here, we're looking for only the latest ads created. So let's take the last 14 days, for example. Then we want e-commerce product advertisements, and let's use the Shopify filter. And here we've been served only Shopify product ads that were created in the last 14 days. Now, we can filter through the products that have performed the best during this time period. To do this, we'll use the sorting system. For example, let's sort by plays. If a video has a lot of views, it means that the advertiser continues to fund it as a paid ad, meaning that the product is definitely profitable for him. For some products in the weight loss niche, people don't always want to show their interest and interact with the ad. Therefore, the number of plays is one of the metrics directly related to the performance of the ad that you should use. Okay, if we look at the search results, we can see that there are a few ads here which were created during the last 14 days that already have more than 10 million views. This is the strength of TikTok. Now, let's change our search strategy and look for products that are still performing but not necessarily viral, because you can be sure that a viral product has already been seen by your competitors and you'll be a little too late to the game. Therefore, we want products that few people still know about. So, we'll apply the Shopify filter, but this time we won't apply a post-creation date filter, but instead add a seen date filter for the last 7 days. This time, we'll get all the ads that Minea's seen running on the networks during this date range. This could be ads created 2 months ago but still running because it's still profitable for the advertiser. Now, I remind you that here we're looking for products that your competitors don't already know. We'll apply a range of plays rather low, for example between 10,000 and 50,000. Then we'll sort by an engagement metric such as comments, downloads, likes or shares. So here, let's use shares. Now, we get products that you probably haven't seen yet, but are performing well. These are in fact great products to add to your testing list. Now, it's up to you to find the filter and sorting setup you prefer and start filling your list with products to test. On the details page, you'll find all the useful information, allowing you to go further into the analysis of a product you've targeted. You'll find details about the engagement, about the growth of the engagement, about the advertiser, and much more. For example, if we look at the engagement curve, we see that this ad was created on March 23rd and started its ascent on the date it was published. This is a great winner that's still new. We can even dive deeper into this store by clicking the Shop Analysis tab. This will give us a full overview of the store that's promoting this product. Now, if we go back and click on the See Product tab, this will directly take us to where the product is being sold on the store. And if I want to see the position of this ad on TikTok itself, we can click the See Ad tab and be taken directly to where this ad is showing up on TikTok. Then, if we click on ads from the same shop, we can see if the shop or advertiser has launched other creatives for this product, allowing us to study the best creative we can use to launch this product. And we can of course study the creatives of other products this advertiser is pushing as well. And there we have it. That's the complete tour of the TikTok Adspy tool. And once again, missing the opportunity of using the TikTok social network is a big mistake because TikTok is always exploding with newly launched products. In addition to TikTok ads, we can launch the products found on TikTok by taking the creative and launching it on Facebook or Pinterest in vertical format too. So don't forget to check out our in-depth tour of both of those platforms coming soon.